Roughly cooking is cooking what you want to eat using your favorite ingredients. The goal is for anyone to be able to make something similar by simply following the steps. This time, we will cook Xian Dou Jiang. Xian Dou Jiang is a soup with a very smooth texture and healthy taste. First, here are the main ingredients. Please prepare unsweetened soy milk, vinegar, and salt. The amount you cook is up to you. Plus, add toppings to suit your taste. Please add as many toppings as you like of your favorite ingredients and foods. Roughly cooking start. First, cut the toppings into bite-sized pieces. Put unsweetened soy milk and seasonings in a heat-resistant container. Heat in the microwave for 2 minutes. If there is no soy milk film after heating, add an extra minute. Spare time exercise. While you wait for the microwave, do light squats. Add the vinegar, mix lightly and wait about 2 minutes for the soy milk to solidify. Spare time exercise. While you wait for the soy milk to solidify, do some shoulder blade stretching. Finally, add the toppings and it's done. If you like, you can tear off some bread and dip it in the soup. Arrangement points. You can change the toppings and add variations to cook it fun to eat without getting bored. Here's a recap of the steps. Keep these points in mind and cook your own original Xian Dou Jiang. Please let us know your favorite Xian Dou Jiang in the comments. Thank you for the meal. Stay tuned for the next Roughly Cooking.